If you're looking for a business opportunity that requires a small investment and allows you to get started quickly, information products might be the perfect option. But don't worry, I'm not talking about creating a book, training program, checklist, or recipe. The type of info product I want to introduce to you is more unique and intriguing: Notion knowledge templates. While starting an info business can seem complex, the Notion Millions training program offers a straightforward approach that only requires basic search skills and the ability to follow instructions using AI technology. In my Notion Millions review video, I'll share insights about this interesting program that can help you monetize your knowledge, skills, and passions by creating and selling Notion knowledge templates. If interested, you can check the link in the description box for full product details as well as my special gifts for you. Let's dive in and explore Notion Millions. What is called Notion Millions? Notion Millions provides a comprehensive training program that teaches you how to create and sell Notion templates with no coding skills required, leveraging the power of no-code and AI technology. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a complete newbie, Notion Millions provides you with the tools, strategies, and resources to tap into the lucrative market of selling Notion knowledge templates and generate a substantial income. What do you discover inside? Making money with Notion isn't about being smart or super creative. It is about recognizing that now is the time to create these and make a profit for any niche. There are millions of people that use the Notion and are willing to pay you for a template that fits their needs. And that is the thing. You can make templates for any niche. Notion Millions system makes it super simple to create the following content using the power of artificial intelligence: personal cookbook, gratitude journal, movie or TV show tracker, gift ideas and wish list, home maintenance log, family tree, pet care log, gaming journal, plant care template, dream journal. Notion Millions offers a money-making method that requires no upfront investment. As I've explained, the key components of this method are the needed information, the creation of templates, and the ways to sell, all included in the training. The best part is, you can do all of this for free without needing a social media following or being in front of a camera. By listing your Notion Millions templates on marketplaces, you can reach potential buyers who are eager to purchase. Even if you don't have coding or designing skills, you can still succeed with this method. The power of AI allows you to simply copy and paste, making it easy to create and sell your templates. Is purchasing Notion Millions affordable? I think $11 is a reasonable amount to invest in a comprehensive system of Notion Millions. Don't hesitate, as the price may increase soon. Take action now and secure your spot in Notion Millions before the launch closes. When it comes down to it, success online truly comes down to one thing. That is giving the market what they want and being able to do it faster than anyone else. Get started by clicking the link below this video. So this is the end of my review video. I hope that with the given information, you can make an informed decision. Besides, don't forget to check out my special bonuses that will be useful for you to work on different aspects of your online business. I put the information in the description box. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.